Back here on Brad's 62 Chevy II. This is the pump we pulled the other day off, which is a Delphi. This is a Precision. Note, it appears that the arm on the Precision is out further. That could be part of our issue. So we're gonna go finish installing this and see what we got. Our fittings in our pump, fresh gasket. We're just gonna go put this baby on, see what she does. Replacement Precision pump is in. We're gonna hook up our fuel lines and we are going to go from there. All right, pump is in. First order of business, I'm gonna unhook the coil. I wanna crank it and see if it's gonna pump fuel here. And then we will attempt to start, prime and start. All right, here goes nothing. So far, nothing. All right, I filled the bowl of the carb with brake clean. I hook the coil back up. I'm gonna get it to light off, and hopefully it's enough to get the pump to pump. That is a nope. So that tells me that lobe on the cam that actuates the fuel pump is hurt. This verifies it. We've tried multiple pumps. None of them pump per se. You can feel the lobe, but there's not enough. So I'm gonna hook up our fuel line. And we're gonna install an electric holly. Fun. All right, round two. The fuel line hooked up, and I filled the bowl completely full of brake clean. Maybe it's gonna be enough to prime, but I'm wary. Nope. All right, so mechanical pump, non-functioning due to camshaft. Definitely don't want to be pulling the cam right now. We obviously can't, for one, we don't have time. Two, we have a bunch of other projects to do. So our favorite electric pumps are these Hollies, because you can basically put them anywhere and they'll still pull from the pump, or from the tank rather, as opposed to like an Edelbrock or something smaller, which won't do anything. They don't make enough oomph. But these bad boys, they crank, they work. So I got her plumbed. I didn't want to screw up any of our factory hardline, so I kind of have our rubber running about just to get it so we're mobile and functioning. And that is actually in a hole that's already in the firewall there. So good to go. So I'm gonna run me ground wire, and I'm gonna run me a keyed 12 volt, which I might actually put on the coil, mainly because then it's keyed and we don't have to worry about putting a switch in right now. All right, so we have our pump installed, everything. We can get fuel out of our pump here to our mechanical pump, but it will not push through our mechanical pump, which is weird because usually it will. So I'm gonna see if I can find one other location for this and go from there. And that's gonna be like our only hope. So we're running. We have piercing fuel. Assuming it's just sitting here. All right, car runs, drives, it's beautiful. I ended up wiring in the electric pump anyway, so when it does sit for a long time, we can use it to prime it. I actually found a lead here. Well, an open spot, which is a clock. This car had a clock. So for the clock power, it's perfect for running the electric pump. Of course, the car will run with the electric pump off as well, because the mechanical pump now works because the hardline back at the tank no longer has the ding in it. Fun. So, problem solving all day long.